Should I remove inactive members? I'm seeing this everywhere in Skool right now. First off, I'll show you. Inactive members. Should I kick members of the group that have never interacted with me or have been inactive for a long time? Is booting people for inactivity immoral? Here we go. When to throw out inactive users. I run a free community. I want to kick them out as there's no value to the others keeping them in. Kick out inactive members. We have a free group. Here's the pros. Here's the cons. Did I miss anything? Should I kick out inactive members that are in my group? Unethical. Unethical to kick community members for lack of engagement. Dead members, keep or cull. It's clearly a problem that a lot of people want solved. Let me show you why. The answer is yes or no. So, short answer to should I remove inactive members in my Skool? The answer is no. Long answer. Let's ask the expert on Skool. Who's the expert? Andrew Kirby. So who is Andrew Kirby? If you don't know, he's the host of the Skool Games. So he works closely with Alex Hormozi, who created the Skool Games. They've made millions of dollars in their businesses, each individually and now with Skool Games. So I tend to trust what they say. Kirby says keep them, so I keep them. But why? That's important. Why does he say to keep the inactive members? Won't my engagement suffer, you might ask? Well, here's his answer to that. So what? So what if they're inactive? So what if they don't engage? Why does it matter? Hormozi actually talks about someone who makes content only for registered dietitians, and she teaches them about billing insurance. That's it. That's all she does. She's got 5,800 followers on Instagram, and she makes $1 million per year. It's very specific content. So one day, those lurkers in your group could come back and buy the thing you're looking for because you're making specific content that is specific to them. And when they need you, they'll buy your thing. You wouldn't want to get rid of your YouTube subscribers, right? So why get rid of your YouTube members? The subscribers they could always at least come back and watch your vids. Same with group members. Thanks.